सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
With having the worst pandemic hit the world, the coronavirus conundrum sprung from China has turned out to be a full-blown crisis hampering humanity's existence to its fullest. Yet even while the world suffers under the grip of the deadly pandemic, China doesn't seem to learn. Even at times as such, what comes as a shocker is that the scourge of racism in China yet prevails. China has been racially targeting and demeaning the African descent. McDonald's banned the blacks in China. With racism being the cruelest forms of evil to inhabit the society, China broke all limits and came under fire when the country's popular fast food chain McDonald's in Guangzhou recently held up a sign saying in English, "Black people are not allowed to enter the restaurant," amid rumors that the Africans were spreading the coronavirus. These racist leaflets escalated tensions between the Africans and the locals in Guangzhou and swept Twitter, breathing fire and criticism from around the world, bringing McDonald's under racial scrutiny and forcing it to be temporarily shut. While only 5 Nigerians tested positive for COVID-19 in the city, reports reveal that hundreds of Africans in Guangzhou have been forced to quarantine for 14 days, being evicted from their homes, denied services of restaurants and hotels, even when many reported of having no recent travel history or no known contact with COVID-19 patients. China's advertisements influence racist ideas. As the racist sentiment is simply prevalent and blatant in China, the country's advertisements too spread and influence racism in the Chinese society. In the year 2016, a bizarre Chinese detergent advertisement sparked outrage when in the commercial of Xiaobi cleaning detergent, a black man was shoved into a washing machine who then came out as a pale Asian man, winking at the viewers with the slogan flashing, "Change begins with Xiaobi." What followed the outrage was a full apology by the Chinese company. China's museum accused of racism. This is not just. In the year 2017, China hosted a photo exhibition in Wuhan, boasting the art of comparing the blacks with animals, as the exhibition saw photos of black people and African animals were placed side by side. The exhibition had attracted enormous outrage from around the world after its images were shared online, and it took a national backlash to close this museum. Afrophobia trails in China. Though not all Chinese participate or promote the ideas of racism, our instincts force us to believe that on ground levels, Afrophobia is on the rise in the land of China, and the Chinese authorities are hardly dealing with it. Even as the African traders in Guangzhou pointed out the ignorance of the Chinese authorities in race-related issues, so was the case behind the advert. While the world tries to understand China amid a global health crisis, it clearly seems China won't ever learn and grow to understand the threats it poses to humanity. From China washing blacks in their washing machine adverts, to banning them in their restaurants, to quarreling thousands into concentration camps, to racially bullying them, to doing crazy stuff with wildlife, to splurging the deadliest virus of the decade, China has done amassed damage to all. While blacks pay the price of living in China, the world pays the price for the coronavirus pandemic. It's high time we learn that there is only one race, the human race, and anyone threatening or abolishing it should be held accountable. With Marilyn Ravi for NMTV News.